Yo, what's up guys? This is Umar Farooq here, and today I am going to show you how to get the Lura. I don't know how it is pronounced, but I'm gonna show you how to get the Lura whatever skin, the secret chapter 12 skin in Roblox Piggy. So yeah, let's get right into it. And okay, let's just join the game. This is specially for Aram here. Like, it also shows you half of the map literally completed. I already have the badge for escaping the camp map. Okay, now just go to book 2, I guess. Oh, why did I press pages? Okay, let's go to book 2. Oh, box book. So you need to do this on the new camp map. I guess the old camp map, literally 2 chapters came after it. And also if you want, no. So yeah, you will join right here. Go with the camp map. Camp has been selected. So you need to complete half of the map. So do player. Then as the game starts, you will see the cutscene, starting cutscene obviously, the thingy-mabob, you will and Pony are going in the camp, the military outpost. I have the survivor ending. I will try to get the savior ending, but I have the survivor ending. So like the end cutscene is also gonna be very small, even though I'm not even gonna escape. So the first thing, where is the orange key? ... I'm just gonna open the door. I don't even bother to go in. So it can spawn in here. It can spawn in the room that I just opened. Oh god, I already have this guy behind me, dude. Oh the heck, man. And it can spawn upstairs where you will be making the teddy bear for the Lura skin. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think literally the title is gonna also have the spelling wrong. So you open. Is there? Dude, it's not even in here. Then where is it? Yeah, it is not in here. Where is it? Oh, dude. Okay, juke. She's getting the juke. Dude, yes, Willow, get her out of here. Okay, now she's gonna take care of her. You guys have fun. Why are you coming behind me still? Jesus Christ. Dude. Where is the key actually? I don't know. Oh. Dude, what the heck? Why are you doing that? Yes. Go. Okay. Right. Well, it is at the spawn area then. That is the only thing that makes sense. So I'm going in. Yup, there it is. Yup. Oh! Dude, why am I screaming like that? That is... Dude. What the heck, man? So you actually just need to complete half of the map as you would. Where's the shovel? So get the shovel, just, to be continued. Dude, I already found the ladder. What the heck? Okay, we don't need... Should I take... No. So, you need to go upstairs because one teddy bear piece will spawn there. Like, you can do it later, but, I'm dumb. So, I think I'll just forget about it. So, I'm just gonna do it right now. And then we're gonna get the ladder, blow the thing up, get the rope, and then we're actually gonna start the hunt. That is when the hunt actually begins. No, dude, I hate these soldier piggies that come out of the ground. It is literally from like the chapter 11 actually. Dude, he's still here. Yo, Willow, can I get some help here? Okay, I guess Pony go up there. So now we go to take the ladder again. Here it is. There you go. We got the ladder. We go in here now. What the okay, here we go. So that was the code. We don't really care about it. Now we blast up both of the openings. So we do that. Then boom. Alright. Now we should I just leave? No, let's just do the other one as well. Boom, baby. Oh yeah. Dude. Dude. Please be the green. Yes. Okay, dude. Alright. Here you go. Now we get the rope wherever it is. There it is. Okay. Nice to meet you, Mr. Rope. Pony, Willow, I think I can get some help. Okay, not Willow, she's just standing there. So then we get this rope. Wee. Then you see this eye of insolent, you click it. Then it will like turn dark gray or thingy. It will turn darker. Then you come on over to here and you found the first teddy bear piece that you need to collect. Why can I not collect it? Dude, it's right there. Yeah, the first teddy bear piece is right there. You need to get it from there. And I literally, please Willow, take care of it. And I cannot get it because of this guy. Jump over these because you will die. That is your doom. And then do I actually need to go in first person? They're coming. Okay, there you go. When you collect it, it is just gonna disappear. My phone is dying. Okay. So the second one is in here where you get the orange key mostly. There you go. Right next to the blue bed. You collect that. Then the other one is in this room. Yeah, right there. Right, like the last bed. Oh, dude, I didn't even saw her. Okay, now we go up right here. Then that is why I told you to get this pile of snow away because there is the other teddy bear piece. Then you run right on over to the green building. Wait, I missed one. Then you go to the green building. You come right here to where Pony gets ammo for his gun and where the piggy spawns. Right there at the tree. Right next to the tree, you will collect that and then you will go to the green room. That gives you the rope to even enter the area to start this entire holo thing. I don't even know what is the meaning of holo, but still. So you come on over to here. The head, you press that. And then come on over. Oh, we can use him. So you need one of the bots to follow you. So I'll get this guy. Pony Willow, don't come. Then why is he? There you go. You got the skin. You have the skin now. Now you can just oof. I know a very good way to oof. So I'm just gonna come down here. And now, yoit. That is my solution. Okay, yeah. Okay, after you eat, you come in the skins. Go to there. It is, dude. There it is, Lura. Lyura, whatever. I actually don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, let's just go in our map. It was camp anyways. Let's check out the skin. And yeah, that will be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. You like the video, subscribe if you liked it, and if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Pony dancing plus yeah, some gameplay footage, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. हम एडिट बाद में करेंगे.
यहाँ पे तुम अगर कहीं एकदम जैसे मैं चली गई खा वहाँ जाके मेरे लोग वहाँ बैठा रहता कोने में देख रहा था जैसे कैंप लगा हुआ था हम लोग बैठे देख रहे थे. कई जगह ऐसे थे कि तुम जाओ भी तो मिल जाता लेकिन वहीं एक्सप्लोर जैसे भागलपुर में तुम्हारे खून इसलिए जानती हो यहाँ पे नहीं आदमी समझ सकते. तो ये दो ऑप्शन है. अब बता दो. और देखो अर्शिका पास में इसलिए हम बोलेंगे कि यहाँ तुम जा सकती हो ताकि तुमको अगर वेट भी करना होगा तो 15 से 20 मिनट क्योंकि मम्मी पापा का भी बुकिंग नहीं किया बुकिंग हुआ था सेकंड वाला बुकिंग नहीं हुआ था वो लोग जाके ले लेते. और बंसर की तो हम श्योरिटी दे सकते हैं अगर पैसा दे रही हो तो वो लोग तुरंत कर देता है वैक्सीन दे देता है. प्राइवेट में तुमको वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा गवर्नमेंट में वेट करना होगा. और रही बात स्लॉट बुक करवाने की तो आज हसरत जब बुक करेंगे तब जाके 3 दिन बाद मिलेगा. पर आज ही कल का कभी नहीं कर सकते.